What's up, Panda? What's up, everybody? Oh no, I didn't reset the title. It's day 8 on YouTube. Is YouTube there? YouTube is there. Hello at YouTube. I just restarted the title. How's everybody doing? Is anybody participating in the Pirate Software Game Jam? How's everybody feeling about it? Let me drink some water.
Hey, ma'am, you might want to pause the stream, girlfriend, because the ads are coming.
I was so tired yesterday. I went to bed at like 11 and I woke up at 8:30, which is like crazy for me. That's like waking up early, basically. I mean, that's waking up late and going to bed early. So that was insane. I was just so dead. So I feel pretty pumped up today. There's a plugin called Stream Up plugin that has a refresh audio monitoring for this kind of... Oh, interesting. Interesting. I would prefer just controlling it myself. I did work from home yesterday. I did do some work. A good amount, I would say. I don't have time even for my own game. Rip, Kibber, rip. Polish... I don't polish cakes as cakes. You submitted your game yesterday. You do... Why didn't you just use more time? You know there's more time. Well, I didn't say that, pluser. You thought it. So, enough of the gum smacking. That's such a weird way to say talking. I have been barely sleeping for a while. Is it because there's no AC and you're used to the Marca? Time isn't real. Jackie, want to see my base text editor? No. So guys, you see this? These are different room layouts for grace rooms, monster rooms, shop room, filler rooms, lore rooms. But I think it's best 14 hours ago. That would have been 12. That would have been 1 a.m. plus 2. Yeah, good. That's my latest one. Perfect. That was at like 11 p.m. I stopped working on it. Well, maybe you just gotta get your body to acclimate. Ew, no, ew. Oh, lemmings, yes. Dude, if you completed a week ahead of time, then that just means you underestimated yourself. You over. I always wondered, you have a job. Why did you censor the O? Why did you do that? You stream so much, I wonder if you are some time management wizard or you're doing it full time. I do streaming, I do game development, I do lessons, I do a bunch of random stuff, but yeah, I don't have like a normal 9-to-5 job. I'm just, yeah, I do a bunch of random things here and there, sponsorships, everything. Better than scope creeping. I don't know what's better. I would rather squeeze as much as I can possibly squeeze out. You know what I mean, Tom Tom? My apartment doesn't get enough ventilation because Cat wants to jump at the burbs. And we're 10 cat lives off the ground. That's why you have to build a cage for your cat. It's not a curse word. You gotta face... Listen. Stop trying to hide an aspect of reality. Look at it, okay? Get a piece of paper right now. Write the word job. Look at it. Okay? Look at it. That is your future. I mean, if you do it right, it's such a hard thing because everybody's in such a different position. I feel like with the newer generation, even like starting with millennials and stuff, because of course, like the older generation, Gen X and Boomers, they were just more grinding. They would go to a job that would eat their soul, make them feel empty, but they would just grind every day. And the newer generations coming in, they're just like, nah, bruh. Like, okay, I'll grind for a little, but I'll put money aside, travel a little, you know, like living life more. I think it's interesting. I think the direction that the generations are heading are good. In a way, it's like, you know, you shouldn't choose your job over your life, over happiness. So to a certain extent, you need to do some crap in order to enjoy some things later, but without sacrificing too much of yourself. I'm talking about jobs. What's up, chicken? I don't know. What is your name? Bro, Jamie, what the flip? What the flip, pancake? What? Jamie, is that how you say hi? If that's how you say hi, I appreciate it. It's Friday. Everybody talk about Friday. I appreciate that, Jamie. Thank you so much. Thank you for the hype. Jamie. Panda, have you heard of Farkness Bit? Wait, why hasn't anyone joined the Lemmings? Can you guys join, please? Friday. By the way, if anybody wants to use Farkness, if anybody wants to if anybody wants to play Farkness Bit, the amount of bits for it is the French Revolution dates without the 1. So it was like 17, I don't know, wait, let me see. When was the French? So it's 789 bits to 799 bits. But I'll play it for you guys. For the people who didn't hear it, here it is. Pierre made it last stream. There we go, Farkness Bit. So last time, you could see I've made some rooms. I gave myself a bunch of health. And the monsters are very hard. They're shooting very fast. But honestly, you just gotta get good, in a way. Nah, I think he's not gonna shoot that fast. Wrecked him. Corporate have gone and banned Twitch on their... Did you just get Solar Minotaur to do that, Solar? Oh my god. Solar Minotaur is awesome. Holy crap. Oh my god. Guys, can we have a moment of silence for Fermius? Like, seriously, guys. Corporate just banned Twitch. Can we all just... Moment of silence? Dude, why would they do that? Frick the corporates. Okay, I see why that person used job with the asterisk O. I agree with you. That word is now banned. So yeah, as you guys can see, what do you guys think? We have look, first of all, so this is debug. I'm gonna, well, yeah, that you see when I like, that's gonna be debug. So it's like it shows one new job for me. I have a new PC, and that is the corporate network, whereas my old PC was on a different... Oh my god. I think Fermius played the Uwu song on speakers. So guys, these are the 3 rooms that generate. You see they have different colors, they have different door orientations, they have different icons. Isn't it amazing? Tell me it's pretty! And then if I want to do any room, I'm gonna make this debug that shows me all the rooms, so it's easier to debug it. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, it's amazing. I know. You're welcome. I got a big old to-do list. So we have a lot to do. Thank you, Biley. I really like how you added a bunch of reallys. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay. So, and I've also settled on 25 rooms before the boss. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it'll cut off here. I need to cut off these 2. So let's cut that off. 1840. This one is called Blueprint 368. Yeah, I could see that, Biley. It made me feel a lot better about myself, so thank you. Thank you, Danik! I've remote desktoped through to my... Honestly, for me, I really appreciate the dedication to watching this stream. I'll try to make it worth your while. I feel like when I say that, it's like wholesome, but it doesn't sound it all the time. I don't really know. It's not going to work for long. Want gassing up? What is that? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna... Each grid is 368 by 368, so I'm gonna come in here, grid settings, and then we're gonna do 368 by 368. Can someone tell this dog to be quiet a little bit? Just a little? There we go. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. I know, it's like best not to use it on here, but that's what we gotta do. So I'm gonna shift. There we go. There we go. And now we come back here. Ripperoni. So we want to move the position. We want to do plus 3, 6, 8 times 2. Let's go. Honestly, Danik, I'm actually thinking about that. Guys, I think I'm gonna release this on Steam. I really like this game. It will be my first Steam release. And I have some ideas, guys. So what I'm thinking is there a party at your place? There is now, Jamie. Okay, so I'm thinking that there could be three classes you could choose from: warrior, archer, mage. The archer and mage classes will be locked until you get to rank 3. This will unlock the archer class, and if you get to rank 5, it'll unlock the mage class. And of course, you know, you need to try to, like, this is just for the game jam. I'm not talking about, like, beyond. Who knows if we'll work on it beyond. There's a lot of factors that come into play with that. But of course, like, you can't make them overpowered. Like, the mage is probably going to be like a glass cannon type of character. But bro, there are some really cool mage. Look at this. Let's see. Look, like, there's, you can't really see it too well, but like, that's like rock spike. Hand grab. Look at this, bro. That could be like mage that could be like the mage melee attack, hand grab or something, I don't know. Fire erupt. This could be like on the ground. It could be like in a certain area around the mage that you do it. So the mage could be like super freaking cool. Thunder strike. Wind shoot is really cool because I was thinking about how I would program this. Wait, that's not how I envisioned it. I've envisioned it like a tornado. Oh, wind tornado. Yeah, that's what I was. So the cool thing about wind tornado, because you have projectiles, and the way I'm programming projectiles is the direction that you shoot them with the mouse, or because you have to remember the code looks different depending on who is shooting it. What the? Oh, I was talking about clay. So these are our floor plans. Let's just do. I'll just do it here. Whatever. So if you're the player, basically, let's say we have an arrow. This Godot has a function called look at. So it basically rotates it to look at something, and when it's the player, it's looking at the mouse. Jesus. Yeah, whatever. That's a mouse. If it's the enemy, then it's just looking at the main player. So and then once you shoot the projectile, whatever, let's say this is the projectile. Sorry, it's really weird drawing with this. It just goes in that same transform direction. But if we have a tornado, let's say we have this, we could slightly change the code so that it kind of randomly rotates the transform so that it goes in a weird direction. I think it would be kind of cool, but that is a stretch goal. I have stretch goals that I'm... So here, stretch goals will have a right-click attack. What's up, Dino? Pulls enemies towards you. That's also kind of cool. We have charger enemy, NPC portraits, locked doors. So, yeah, you can see there's a lot. See, rank 3 unlocks raw. We need to think of bosses. Fartmancer, nice. Mage class, AoE, projectiles, direction, stretch, random direction mind of its own. Maybe we'll do like 50% HP, stretch goals. So these are like stretch goals. Stretch melee, camera movement, room transition, we gotta do that. Dash stamina, iframes on dash. So like you could have, because the way that you could do stamina is you can make stamina include swinging the sword, but I think I will just have a stamina bar for the dash so you don't abuse the dashing. And that's how Children of Morta do it. but that's where I got the idea from. But yes, right now, the first thing I want to work on is I just implemented a different way that it gets the rooms. So what's up, daydreaming? Dude, YouTube is so quiet. Is this even working? Hello. I think just YouTube is quiet. Where is your I've started my GDG. I even started it on the third day. And I've been updating it. It's on Google Docs. So, what I'm gonna do wake up! Bosses should insult you and you should deflect them, else it fills a cry bar when your character cries. That's a very good game idea, Jamie. You should definitely implement that. Like in Binding of Isaac, your attack is your tears. That sounds like a really good, you know, addition to it. Alright. So first things first, we're toggling this. But I don't know if that's working because the checkbox should be on default toggled. When you toggle the checkbox, we're showing or hiding it. It's not really in. I'm gonna use it. Chat my idea. I'll fight. Do it, Jamie. Do it. What if I do that? What's up, Dan Lover? No, it's still there. But then when I undo it, that's so weird. Is it about the scroll box? Cause yeah, it's the scroll container. What if I do that? There we go. Okay. Yes. All right. So, the problem is it's not okay, we'll do this. So down. So that one worked. But this one, let's try this one. That one worked. Oh no, it didn't work. It did the room in the wrong orientation. So I got a C. It's using wrong orientation. Like the... Let's see. Okay, let me see the lore room. See, door mount 3, but it's north. Yes. So that's what's wrong. Okay. I see what's wrong. Put him up, Violet. Yo, what up, Off Wave? Off Wave. Do you like? I'm so obsessed with this. I'm so obsessed. Everybody dance! Break it down. Stop what you're doing and dance. Yeah, I don't care if you're at work. Break it down. Pierre made it. Break it down, 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 break it down. Of course, Pierre. In the darkness, I see you shining at me. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, it's beautiful. That's basically, we had to ask Thor if it was okay because Farkness Balls was AI generated, but then Pierre made it based off of that. So it's like and the game jam is no AI gen, and I wanted to put it to the main menu. It's on the main menu, by the way. You see? But the normal game, which Pierre also made normal game music. For those of you who haven't heard it, here is the music he made for the game. You see, the door orientation is bad, which I need to fix. And the arrows are going through walls. Yeah, anyways, sorry. Yeah, Thor said he did the AI gen because he didn't want to, it's about replacing labor, you know? And since it was a meme, you know, more, and yeah. It's allowed. Gotta call the game Dungeness. No. I wouldn't, no. It's 43 degrees. If I move, I have to drink 1 liter of water. Okay. What? I don't... Wait, what? What? You didn't... Yes. So the door orientation is not really working. I'm gonna debug this. Meow, meow, meow. So, can you wait? I'm gonna do it again. The game is called Dungeon Roll for now, because you roll the different dungeon rooms, kind of. So array of options. So we have. Oh yeah, array of options. We have 8 options for each door combination. Okay. Because we have 1 door mount. There's only 1 of those. We have 2 door with north facing, door left facing, a hallway. Because this is, yeah. We have a hallway. We have 3 door, 3 door, 3 door, and then 1 4 door. So it is choosing. So room array, which is 0 because we're starting. And then we're choosing the room. So we're getting to the catalog of rooms. This is how I have it, guys. What about Parolos? Guys, can everybody yell at Pierre and tell him to put his music on Spotify? Because he didn't listen to me. I yelled at him yesterday. Don't you want it on Spotify, guys? Maybe this 8-bit menu music should be... I did. I tried to do it today, Dino, but yeah, it is. It's gonna be the new... I even set it up on the... my Steam Deck. My Stream Deck. I hate it. So if you look at here, I have a bunch of actions that I play when I start the stream. I press this ooh-woo button. It's a GIF. I don't negotiate. Bro, what? So yeah, you see it's playing Farkness Bit. See, well, I don't need to do this anymore because before I would just play the Pierre's playlist. Opens the scene. It shows it. Mutes my mic. And then it starts my stream. And then it starts the replay buffer. And then... I don't know, system open. I don't know what that is. But yeah, that's a multi-action. If you guys have Stream Decks, you can do it, yeah. Put all your music on Spotify or burn all of your... Bro, you took it way too far. That was way... Okay, I think that's... Put your music on Spotify right now! Put it on Spotify, Pierre. Oh yeah, about to rain again. Love it. You want to go outside and go, I need help, I know. Yeah. I'd love to try and recreate the song on my... Do it! It's you. Off wave. It's you. All right. So yeah, I have a dictionary. So these are room types. And then these are door amounts. That's how they're all separated by. I also added a rarity. But I don't have the rarity. It's basically going to be a float between 0.0 to 1.0. Let's say we have the room rarity at 0.2. It will generate a random float. And between 0 and 1, if that float is under the rarity, then it'll allow that room to be chosen. So yeah, that is my catalog of rooms dictionary.
You might want to pause the stream, girlfriend, because the ants are coming.
We got some ants. We're also gonna have, I want also a variable on the rooms where it is quantity. So let's say we have a room and it could only be twice on the map. So yeah, it'll have that. It'll decrement the quantity once it's being used, and if it's, you know, it'll just take it out of the dictionary. So for each key, remember the keys are the room type, so it's like Grace room, monster key. So we're getting that thing, and each room type has an array of rooms with the key of the amount of doors. So we're going through this, and then we're cycling through the room numbers, which are array of rooms. And if the room choice door amount is equal to the room number, because this is the proper orientation. Oh, let's just go through it. So room number is 1. And room choice door amount is 3. So it won't go through this one. But when the room number is 3, it will go there. And it'll append that whole array to array of potential rooms. So probably it's going through the Grace room, and it'll do Grace room V2. So let's see. Yeah, it's hard to see because these aren't enums. Grace is 2. Type 2. Yeah, that's the Grace room. So now it's going through the other ones. Array of potential rooms. Type 1. I think that's monster. Yep. It added a monster room. Cool. When you yell at French people, I think you should do it in French. Or at least try to. How about we not yell at French people, okay? I'm enjoying punching people in chat. Guys, can we stop saying croissant and baguette? Because it's making me want croissant and baguettes. And your girl shouldn't. So room choice. Wait, that's an array. Wait. Oh no, wait. Oh, because we're picking random. So picked a random one. Okay, so the room direction is 0. But the proper room orientation is 3. So it should change room direction. Room choice. The room direction. It should change it from 0 to 3. Let's see if it did that. It did it. Good. Then the room texture. Okay. Will you be able to understand how this all works after a week, a month? I have really amazing code, honestly. I'm not getting pizza today. Like, this is the best arc. Like, this doesn't even feel like game jam code. This is just really good code. Like, I'm really happy with it. So it's doing all the doors now. And it's updating the buttons. It's returning the room choice. Yes, this is the room. Can you guys stop? Christoph, can you stop? Or the moderators are gonna wreck you. So then we're appending this to the room array just so that we don't choose it twice. And room orientation. Array of options. Oh, no. Dorm. Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. There is some few instances where yeah, they actually did like respect, but I feel like the longer I stream, the more I didn't know what to name it. The longer I stream, the more the mods don't listen to me. I don't know why. I don't know why that happens. Moderators, why do you guys not listen to me more? Like when I tell you to ban someone and you give them a shout out. Why do you guys do that? Set image and title. We're doing that. Empathy burnout. That makes sense. I'm not gonna lie. Can you stop sharding while I'm jamming? Over here, frozen baguettes and garlic butter. Keep it frozen. So oh, I've seen that, yeah. Mods must be controlled using reverse psychology. Can you give me like an example, Pierre? Like an example in English, please, for the. But the problem is when we set this room resource. Honestly, I think the flip. Oh my god! I found it, I think. Was that the reason it wasn't working? Oh. I think I broke it. Did I break it? Did I really break it? Seriously? What the flip? How did that break it? That did break it. Is it because this is being used? Oh. Can I just duplicate? Because this is a room res. So can I dude, can I not duplicate? Resource. Duplicate. Disliking Nutella is a bannable offense, but dense offense. What is wrong with me? I got sleep last night. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me, but I have a confession to make. And I'm really sorry about this, and I hope this doesn't change the way you think about me. But I don't want any pizza today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know if I fixed it. I know. I don't know what's wrong with me though. That shouldn't be like that. I think it works now, but now it's choosing rooms that it shouldn't have. Cause like this one, okay, that one is okay. Get the flip away from me. You summon a bish. Is that the end? Yeah, that's the end. So yeah, I think it's now Friday is donor day. I know. That doesn't mean I'm a pizza hater. This is the lore room. I think they're good now, but sometimes I think it's good. Pierre, what do you think about my game? Pierre! Okay, so I think it's sometimes. Mama! Okay. There's no door here. Is there a door? But it's an... There's something kind of wrong. There's something wrong. There's something terribly wrong. The rest of it is kind of bad, though. Okay. I have a lot of days, actually. We have 6 days, boy. I have a feeling that being a Friday will make people play Farkness Ball so much it will make you get a... Oh, damn. Actually... Pierre thinks those enemies should be gnomes. Woody! Thank you for the prime! Hell yeah! Till now, it's been all about AI. Now, it's about pirate software. What? 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 Look, 11 people and did it, and I'm pretty sure Titty is one of the people. He said he already put it in. Okay, room resource. The rooms are too big. How big should they be? It's going good, Zam! Okay. Make them a quarter? A quarter, bro? A quarter, dude? Are you flippin' kidding me? How would I fight them in just a quarter? Like in this small area? Nah, dude. How am I supposed to fight like not a quarter? Like in this small area, I would, you know, if bro. Nah, not a quarter though. How? How would you do that? Maybe half, but a quarter? Yeah, there's gonna be traps. Look. See? Let's animate it. Who just turned me red? Christoph, moderators, can you please ban him? Hata! 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 Ah! 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 We also have... We have stuff shooting out of holes. Look at this. Where is it? What is it called? What is that? What is it? What is that called? Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. Wata! 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 I called that a wall shooter. Solar, why did you give Christoph a shout out? Dude. Okay, guys. I think we've just came to the realization that Pierre doesn't know what he's talking about. You know what's funny, Pierre? I've already, like, made the room smaller. Roomflation is serious. Listen, Zam, if anyone else would have said what you said, I would have listened to it more. But there can't be two French people telling me to... You guys can't team up on me like that. The problem is I need to do it to every room now. Okay, this feels good, right? This feels better, right? Let me add walls, wait. Frick. Did Fermibot know what we were talking about? Just add furniture in. I am adding furniture. Because it's a grid. I mean, technically, it doesn't need to be a square. That's true. That's true. I think this is a good size. Let me just... Terrains. I think I could do that. Am I really the tile map tutorial girl? I am really the tile map tutorial girl, bot guys. We back. We back. Shit, I'm not the tile map tutorial girl. I'm not the tile map tutorial girl. Do I need to do that? Maybe that. Maybe that. Okay, let's see if I'm really the tile map tutorial girl. Am I really the tile map tutorial girl? Am I really the tile map tutorial girl? Oh, we so back. Oh, I am so the tile map tutorial girl. Oh, no. I'm not. I'm actually not. It's all been a lie this whole time. All this time. All this time you guys thought I was the tile map tutorial girl. I wasn't. I'm sorry. It should have worked like that. What the flip? What the flip? What the flip? I'm questioning reality. Stop effing with the scope. That doesn't mess with the scope, actually. Wait, why? Wait, what? Oh, it was actually using the wrong one. No. It's a me. A Mario. No. No, Mario, no! Don't do it to us! We family! Mario! Mario! What the flip? That's actually not right. I had it right the first time. Oh, rare. Oh, rare. Yeah, there's none. There ain't none of that. Okay, yeah. Christopher definitely F. You see, if you would have banned Christopher, I wouldn't have done this. But you guys didn't ban him. You kept him. And look at all the time you wasted, Solar. Your face found a flaw. How's that? Daniel.
Okay, this is a really bad idea, but
It's a really bad idea.
here, so
It's a really bad idea, Dan.
fucking go.
Do you want to change your name to Daniel?
Extra noses pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Couldn't help
Nobody
but notice
dance.
circles from
Nobody
across the
dance.
floor. Noses your Nicky like you
Don't-
tell them or till they hee hee. Unzips your baggiest pants, oh baby, you so much.
Just stop dancing, Solar.
Yours and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your
No.
bulgy kisses and lickies your neck.
No. No.
I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got
No.
a little itch. You think you can help me?
Don't help him.
Only 7 inches
No.
long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh,
Ooh, punish me, please.
Him with this furry shit. He don't see it coming.
Why did you make me do that? No. Dan, you're not allowed to say that, okay? You're not allowed to say that, Dan. Frumius, does that? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I can't believe you. Wow. Okay. Okay. Lower room sizes. We'll do it another time. It is basically to... How is it going, Dan? You're doing good. 296 to 296. Wait, did I... 304? Oh, 304. Okay. Because right now it's 368. 304. What's up, Mosta? We out here surviving, bro. I feel that. I feel that. That's good, Danik. See ya. Okay. I need to see why the doors are not Okay. This is how big they should be. Wasted so much time because of Pierre. And now Zam is in here. And just time wasted. Time wasted. We can never get back. Can never get back lost time. But I think I fixed this. I'm not the tile map tutorial girl. Feels good, right, Justin? Feels good. Yeah, miss them all. What the heck? Oh, okay, this. So yeah, guys, I've been doing some garden work lately and it feels really, really nice. I have a goal that I want to sleep in my shed. I want to try to do it at least once. The problem is there's kind of like giant spiders that go, ah! So there's that. That's like an obstacle I'm gonna have to get over. I could try to, you know. Yeah, I was sanding a bench. Starting career in game dev is one of the best way to end up sleeping in shit. Listen, Pierre. It's gonna change. You're gonna finish your game. Alright? You're gonna become a millionaire. And this will all be behind you. You gotta be patient, you know? Was it hard for you, like, because you were working... Okay, I'm just gonna leave it like this, because I'm done. Okay. Yeah, and I'm supposed to be like a corpo person before I become a carpenter, right, Solar? So this one's good. See, this one shouldn't be there. Should be... It did a wrong one. What I'm gonna do is, so we can debug it easier. Why sleep in your shed? It's just kind of like an obstacle I want to get over. You know, if anything happens. You're skipping 5 levels of despair there. You'll be taken over by the fungus thing that... Oh, that's so true. There was actually like a deadly fungus in my shed that literally got into the brains of the spiders and took like control of them. I forgot about that. Thank you, Raz, for reminding me. Yo, can you introduce me to the fungus? It only it left the shells of the spiders petrified in space, like, and then like they were just white.
Hey, ma'am, you might want to pause.
Maybe blue fire.
Because the ants are coming.
Yo, next week we're gonna have a fungus controlled stream, everybody. Yo, the fungus gonna take over my brain. We gonna have a fungus stream, guys. I know you said there'd be no proc gen, but what about finding a room in a JSON file or something like that and then generate it? That's basically what I'm doing, bro. Instead of a JSON file, I'm using a resource. But I don't want to do it with the tiles. It doesn't make sense to do that. There's certain attributes that I'm defining in the thing, but for the most part it is like the door orientation and how many doors I'm doing in the file. But no, I wouldn't want it so that I could do it so that, you know, the position and, but bro, that's this for this, it's over scope. What am I doing right now? Like, what am I doing right now? Like, what am I doing right now? What? Just add some proc then to your jam. Please. No. No. No, Biley. No. No. To about 100 degenerates. Bro, you a degenerate too. Don't you lie. Don't you lie. Alright. So, what we're gonna do. So yeah, I'm also using the tile maps to place the rooms. That's what I'm also doing. It's very efficient, guys. It's very efficient. We have a very efficient system here. Oh, bro, my head. Oh, guys, okay, guys, I sanded the bench and then I sat on the bench and I think I still have stuff. Okay, no. Because I was like, oh my god, this bench is so nice. And then I went like this, and since the bench was white, there was just my whole hand was white, and I was like, oh shit. And then I looked at my butt and it was just all white. So I thought there was still. So yeah, so yeah, sorry I'm sorry. Yo, what up, Ground? White butt kangaroos. Okay. How much rent you asking for a shed? Yo, $50 a month. Are you guys really engaged? Oh my god, Raz, just fuck off. All right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, just do two. Just do one. This will make it easier to debug. My god, guys, I don't know where chat is going, but I just want, can we bring it back to reality? Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, you know, you know what in the wall and all baby, you know, the beat goes on and on. Sorry, I apologize. See, that was okay. So, array of options. Okay, and then it's doing that. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try, let's debug it here. So, what we'll do, door chooser, get room orientation, wait, maybe, wait. I think, let's see. See, this door is east, west. So that's good. Populate image, that one's good. Populate image, that one's good. Populate image, that one's good. Populate image, that's good. Populate, good. Good. So the east door, I think, but was there ever a time when the east door was bad? No. Because it could be a specific door direction that's bad. Oh my god. Have you told your girlfriend that you have a Twitch fiance? I think the east door is good. It's giving good things. It's so hard to test it. I was talking off wave. Dan. Don't make this about you, Dan. Okay, I think the east door is good. Okay, let's try the north door. It's kind of tricky to debug. Populate. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Let's try the west door. Good. 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 I'm literally about to bro right now. Good. 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 Let's try the south door. Oh wait, what the flip? Room 1 north. Room 1 north is weird. Room 1 north. The flip is wrong with you, room 1 north. She could probably kill us both. That's true, Dan. Everything is normally about you. You were a theater kid? That makes so much sense, Dan. Everything's going okay. I want cookies! Guys, I want cookies. Room. Oh, we found it. Room 1, North Atlas. Guys, can you wait like 20 minutes while I go to the shop and buy cookies? I don't have cookies, no. Cookies are worth it, I know. But I don't think everybody will stay. I think some people would leave if I went to the shop to get cookies. This is the one that is ruining my life. ¿Por qué? Pero ¿por qué? Shop. You ruin my life. Where are you? Where are you? What the flip? You support cookies? I have my bike actually. I could literally ride my bike and get cookies. Okay. I think it'll take 10 minutes. I'll just run on my bike. Guys, do you think it'll take 10 minutes? You guys want to see how long it'll take me? I'll just race my bike. Race. Okay. Can you guys like not do anything crazy while I'm gone though? But I need to put the cannon game with the timer on. I'm not gonna show you my area. You guys, you want me to dox myself, bro? Want me to dox myself, bro? Where is it? I want to put the timer on. There. Okay, guys, can you guys tell people that I'll be right back? I'm gonna run on my bike. I need to get my fanny pack. Wait. I'll be right back, guys. I just need some cookies. Okay, let me put my sandals on. Okay, I have my sandals on. Okay. Okay, and then once I click, wait, let me get my keys. Okay. Okay, my keys are in here. Okay, my chancletas are on. Okay, once I hit, I'm running, all right? Just please don't do anything too degenerate. I like mangoes, yeah. Don't be too degenerate, okay? And I'll be right back, okay? Bailey is the babysitter, so, answer to Bailey, and Solar, and I don't know about Fermius. Be right back, bye! I... Oh, wait! Wait. Wait, what? Wait. Did I... Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what happened? Did I make it? Did I make it? What were you guys talking? What? 2 seconds left? You said... Let's freaking go. Oh my god, I raced my little... We got the cookies! Wow. For all you people who didn't believe in me, screw you. Wow, that's what you get for not believing in me. Who believed in me? Solar, thank you. Offwave, thank you. Frumius, thank you. Okay? I could see that, Dan. Jesus. Alright, we got some ciastka orkiszowe w kawałkami czekolady. Thank you, Danik. Okay. That's Jamie, bro. Dude, Jamie, dude. God damn. You gambled a lot on me losing, Jamie. You gambled a lot on me not being on time. Okay, guys, so, okay, first of all, I lost time at Jamie's bankrupt because I had to bring my backpack. Secondly, my bike, there was like no place to lock my bike, so I lost time on that. Oh, look at this. Look at this cookie. Mmm. Wow, now I know that I can go to the shop in 10 minutes. Thank you, Jamie. You live and you learn, you know? You live and you learn. Believed what? What do you mean believed? Oh, behaved. Okay. Wow. 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 Okay. Wait. I deserve 2 cookies and then that's it. Okay. And that's it. You guys have to also take into consideration the European distances of things, okay? I'm in Europe, so there's a shop pretty close to me. All right. Wouldn't you like to know, Raz? Wouldn't you like to know? Oh my god. Rip. Rip Fermibot. Fermibot is not allowed to party anymore. Aww. Thank you, Dan. Let's freaking go. Appreciate that, Dan. There we go. Now we're ready to party, guys. Oh my. All right. I'm debugging something very unfortunate right now. Are you back with the bud? What do you mean, bud? Pierre. Listen, Pierre. Nous devons parler, Pierre. Nous devons parler. Yeah, debugging something very buggy. That's kind of hard. Listen. Je n'ai pas besoin d'intervention. You need the intervention, Pierre. Your face hurt my soul. All right. I have to debug something buggy.
Hey, ma'am, you might want
And I'm scared.
stream,
It's about-
girlfriend, because the ants are coming.
Anglaise, danke. Okay. Anyways. Wait. Why is this? Oh yeah, this needs to be. Okay, okay. God damn it. To debug this or to not debug it? That is the question. North door. Direction. Oh wait. It could also be that's west. South. East. Okay. So when we start. Doing that. Okay. What we could do actually to help debugging, because we need all the help we can get because we are in deep water. My sister and I, when we were in Colombia one time, there was this movie called Dark Water. This was the movie. Because my dad used to take us to this video store. I think it was like under the market in Colombia where this guy had a bunch of movies. And he also had naughty movies. It was this guy's shop. And sometimes I would like see the... Oh yeah, anyways. So there was this movie. There was this movie, Dark Water. And my sister and I made up a song to this movie. Do you guys want to hear this? Do you guys want to hear the song my sister and I? Exactly. Exactly. So actually it was in Colombia, so they didn't even need to hide under the grocery store. It was just in public. I think, yeah, anyways. So yeah, the song cause, all right, let's kick it. So this is how the song went. It goes like it goes like, wait, sorry, wait, one second. It goes, okay, it's a what? Wait, what? Thank you for the follow, Mojo. Dark water, poopy water. Don't touch the poopy water, for you don't know what you may find in the poopy doopy water. Dark water, poopy water. Don't touch the poopy water. I don't even think we even watched the movie, but we made a song to it that I remember. Sorry. And found myself. Oh my god. I don't know where the melody's from. It's interesting we can debug stuff, but there's always I need to bug this. I'm professional debugger. This is the special bugger. Yeah. Okay, wait. So this is the choice. It's the door choicer. We're appending to the room array. When the F are we using? When the F? I get it. That's just to make sure. The room array is to make sure we don't select a room that's already been selected. What's the game you're making about? It is, I don't know if you've seen the game Blueprints. It's a Blueprints dungeon crawler where it's like you spawn different, why? You spawn different rooms. There's like shop rooms, there's monster room. You know, you can fight. You need to try to get to the end. And yeah, there's different rewards. Like for instance, this has a health potion, but you need to manage your room spawning. And you have to try to get to the end. So if we look at this, that is the final room. I don't know. I'll probably make it into a boss room. My sister and I were both co-authors. I feel good to say God. Okay. So the theme is only one. You also need to find a key to get to the last room. And there's only one key. Skadoosh. Guys, have you seen the Minecraft movie? Okay, 3. This is my 3rd cookie. I don't know how many. What's a serving size? 100 grams. This is dangerous. I need to take this off my desk. Toast. That's fat. 22 grams. That's a lot. Venglovodane. That's carbs. 64. Wait, what? And 24 from sugar. 7.2 grams. Oh my god. How many grams do you think this is? I'm gonna weigh it. I'm gonna weigh it. Eleven grams. So I would need to eat like 9 to get. I know, Solar. That's true. It's Friday. All right, this is my 3rd one. We'll just eat 3. All right. It was good. Update button. Alright. What we can do, we'll set off an alarm. So if room resource direction does not equal owner, door direction, push error, and let's also do that. Did it already? It already. Room resource. No womanizer cookie for me. No dino. So the room direction is 1. Owner. I can't get access to the owner. I'm gonna have to do this. Var owner base door equals owner door direction. We'll just do base door, and then we'll say this is a door, and then we'll do base door door direction. Okay. You piece of the sheet. Piece of the sheet. Oh, I took off the freaking Okay. So base door direction 3. You know what? You know what? I think I did this an effed up way. I think I did this an effed up way, and I think I don't need to do this anymore. So I think what I'll do, simplify things. I think that'll simplify everything. Wait, actually. But it will complicate everything as well. No, we'll see. We'll see. Oh, because you need to get the opposite. Oh, you need to get the opposite. But that's okay because I have this globals. Get opposite direction. And then we put that in. Infinite cookie glitch. I probably burned like 10 calories running to the shop. This has 400. Well, it's kcal. I don't know what the frick. Like, is that just normal calories? This is no, there's no way. There's because in Europe it's weird. They have like kilojoules over kcal. This is 2057 kilojoules over 491 kcal. So what? If I eat 10 cookies, it's 500 calories? Is that what you're telling me, Ustino? 500 So that means I just had 300 wait. I had 150. That makes sense, actually. I think I fixed it. I think I fixed it. I fix, guys. I fixed it. I fixed it. But I also think cool. Kilocalorie. So you're telling me that Europe has it the right way and everybody else is doing it wrong? Doing it wrong? Okay, how do I see where all my to-dos are? Do I just need to search to-do, or is there an easier way to do that? Because I used to have a plugin that does that. Asthma. Listen, guys, I didn't want to start, you know, like another... We all know it's true. Let's not address the elephant in the room, okay? Because I don't know if you guys know this, but like if we come here and we come here and we scroll down and we go here and we click that and we scroll down a little bit more and we come here. Oye, apúrate. Oye. Oye, apúrate. ¿Qué? We refresh. We come here. Yeah. You see that? You see that? You see that's the most of my audience, okay? Well, actually no. You need actually no. Actually, I'm wrong because we can add all of that, but it's like yeah. Yeah. No, not really. Yeah. Okay. So actually no, not really. All right, so I fixed that. Maybe it's a female. There's lots of Europe here, yes. All right, let's look at the to-do list. Doesn't open. Oh yeah, there's a problem opening the doors sometimes. Let me see if that's still a problem. And I kind of messed up that. Here. Oh, you're so mysterious, Pierre. Oh my god. God, show us how to be so cool, like yourself. See this? Ah, no, je comprends poop. Je comprends poop. I meant to say toot. Je comprends. Oh my god, I just realized grout is also French. No, we are getting taken over. Okay. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where am I doing the for loop? Here. Oh, okay. Oh, this should be doing it. Oh. Wait, set? No, that's part of it. Oh. Dino wants to see the world burn. I hate this. Door placement, potential room, position. Potential room. Okay, because we're looking at this potential room placement. I already did once million years and it was honestly, Dino, that was a good one. That was very clever, Dino. I like that one. That was okay. That was really good. If it's not placing it. No. Alright, let's just debug this crap. Okay. Alright. So it's a hallway. So we need to set the door in the north hallway. What's here? If owner opened door direction does not equal the direction and what the flip? Opened door direction. Opened door direction. See, because the node open door direction equals get opposite door. Yes, okay. I get it. So if the door direction does not equal the direction, because we are starting with 2, so it would be 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. We're starting with the south door. It's deleting the door. The opened door direction. I can't see that because it's an owner. Shouldn't have done that. Does not equal the direction because it's first placing the north door. And the direction. But we're doing no, it's it's first placing the south door. Oh, because it's oh, I see the problem. Okay, so we're gonna have to do if direction is equal to we just need to do it separately. If direction, yeah, this is what screwed it up. Yep, that's what screwed it up. Good. This could be elif or if, it really doesn't matter. Yeah, I signed my getting fired and being paid money document with my company. But I'm getting paid many money, so now I'll be able to stream, make games. Let's go, Dino! Do you have like a game in mind, or are you gonna think about it? Okay, guys, I think that fixed it. I think this fixes it. What's up, Omni? It didn't. What? Okay. All right, let's try it again. Wait, but before we do that, I want to also open door direction. Door owner. I thought you were frozen suddenly, but the stream paused. Oh yeah, that happens sometimes. Alright. Let's try it again. Are you talking about inscription? What's happening? Oh, this is a room. Oh, engraving. Oh, sorry. I'm just I saw a post, but I haven't seen it. I need to watch it. Nope. I want a hallway. Give me a hallway. Can I just... Okay. Yeah, and it's made it. Yeah, I mean, Rafael Pika is just so talented. Okay. What I can do, so we can test it out better, is I can have this debug. Let's fix this debug so it works, so we can have access to all the rooms, because I feel this will facilitate the process of debugging these rooms. Alright. Alright, so let's go back to the door. And here, debug mode on debug, we're showing it, but we also need to populate it with that. So when we are choosing the door, we have it's basically all of these catalog of rooms. Func populate rooms. Populate all rooms. Debug. Room chooser. Room chooser container. So we'll do this. And we will get to the catalog of rooms. Okay. For type in catalog keys. So this will be var all rooms. This will be an array. Type var array of type equals catalog type, and these are the door amount types, so we'll do type, and then we want that, so the type will be a number. It's just an array, so we'll do that, and then this will give us an array of room res resources. So we want to go through that whole thing. So for array of type, for for room in array of type, we want the room, which will be a resource, a room resource. And we want to set it to that door direction. That's the most important, door direction. So we do room direction equals door direction. And then once we do that, there is a function that we can call called set style and image. So then we do room set style and image. And that is, and then we all rooms append room. When we're done, we should return this array of all the rooms. And actually, this could be done once, actually. So,
Hey, ma'am,
this
you
all
might
rooms will
wanna
be
pause
in the global
stream,
scope.
girlfriend, because the ants are coming.
Could be done once. It doesn't need to do it every time. This is it's not good for me to do it every time, but it's such a small thing. Doesn't matter, but I'll only do this once. Because it's gonna do it for every door that's generated, which is dumb. So that, it's gonna populate this. All rooms, so the scroll container. The scroll, oh, this is a room chooser. The only thing we really need to populate here is the room resource. So what we'll do a room chooser. So we can get rid of all of these here. Which that's basically, you know, this. We're gonna add it ourselves. Okay. And then, oh, we only need to do that once too. Whatever, we'll just do it there. So, let's get to the room chooser container. What's up, AS? I don't have type inference. I add types. I don't know. I don't understand your question. You don't need to add types, but I like adding types. Like a new interactive map. Ooh, that sounds cool. Got a request. Je suis un poule molly. What? Okay. I have no idea what some people are talking about. This is a, we need a room chooser container. I have so many things that start with room chooser. I guess that's the room chooser container. Yeah. So we have this room chooser container. Room chooser. So here. So actually, we don't even need to append this. We could, but what we can do instead is var room chooser equals instantiate. Oh, that's what yeah. That's what I thought it meant. I didn't want to assume. Yeah, there's some times when it doesn't. Like, for instance, well, I think this is in normal languages too. Like, if there's an error in the script, it won't do type inference. I think that's pretty normal. Grid controller. Room grid. Thank you for the follow, Mobidic. Room grid, add child, room chooser, and then we just need to room chooser, room resource equals room, and this. Alright, do I need to update the button? I think it's already happening in the, yeah. Alrighty, guys, let's see if that worked. No. No, it didn't. This door chooser container is not the right one. I need access to this. Yeah, I need access to. Could I just... What if I used this? I wonder if that'll work. Can I do that? Can I do that? Yeah, I can't do that. That's what I thought. Oh, door chooser container and room chooser container are two different things. Catalog type, dictionary. Trying to assign. Okay, it doesn't like my type safety here. Because this is not the type. Snowies! How's it going? Is this an array of arrays? Is this an array? That is an array. Wait, but I'm... it doesn't like my type safety! Okay, because that was an array. That wasn't an array. Yeah. Wait, no, that was a B. Wait, what? What? Oh, because... Oh, I get it. Array of type. Room. This is... Get keys. Meh. Can I do that? Today's my last day of work. Do what? What's happening? That's good. I mean, is it? Is it? Let's go with the paternity. Bro, I am so happy that is more of a thing. Can we just clap to paternity leave, everybody? Let's freaking clap. Hell yeah, society. Hell yeah, society. Give those dads paternity leave. Yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I'm so glad that's being more normalized. That is so important. So happy. 100% pay? Dude, what are you gonna do? What country is that? Dudoslav. Bro, what? I need to do another loopy. This is not... This is an array of rooms. Oh my god. This is giving an array. This is array of type. I did it completely wrong. Okay, now it's good. Reap.
It kind of worked. Whoop.
I am so sorry, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wink. Listen, guys, everybody, seriously, stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing right now, everybody, okay? Everybody stop. Everybody stop what you're doing. That was the first sentence. Everybody stop. Okay, listen, I'm gonna wink, alright? Okay, just listen, okay? I'm winking. Alrighty, guys. That was some good work today. We had a good stream. That was great. I have to go now. So, goodbye, everybody.